In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Templator in Obsidian. Templator is a community plugin that helps you insert reusable structures and smart snippets into your notes so you can write faster and keep everything consistent. First, open Obsidian. Make sure you're in the vault where you want to use templates. If you're new to Obsidian, the vault is simply the folder where your notes live. Next, look to the bottom left corner and click the settings icon. This opens the place where you manage your app preferences and plugins. Inside settings, find community plugins. This section is where you can extend Obsidian's features beyond the core app. If you see any warnings about third-party plugins, just read them so you understand that these add-ons are created by the community. Click Browse to open the plugin marketplace. In the search bar, type Templator. You should see the Templator plugin appear in the results. Click Install to add it to your vault. Once the installation finishes, click Enable so it becomes active. While you're still in settings, it's a good time to glance at hotkeys. Search for Templator in the hotkeys list and note any shortcuts you might want to use, or just remember that you can customize them later. When you're done, close the settings tabs to get back to your notes. Now, open or create any note where you want to try Templator. Press Ctrl+P to open the command palette. On Mac OS, use Command+P. The command palette is a quick way to find actions without digging through menus. With the palette open, start typing to search for the command you want to use. You'll see Templator commands show up as you type. For example, you can run a command to insert a template or trigger a Templator action you've set up. Pick the command you need, press enter, and it will run right in your current note. This is especially helpful when you want to quickly drop in a meeting note structure, a daily note layout, or any repeatable content with dates, links, or placeholders. That's the basic workflow. Open Obsidian, head to Settings, go to Community Plugins, browse and install Templator, enable it, check hotkeys if you like, then use Control or Command+P to find and run Templator commands. With this setup, you'll be able to keep your notes clean, consistent, and fast to create. Thanks for watching, and enjoy streamlining your workflow with Templator and Obsidian.